Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account on PC. So let's dive right in. First, go to Instagram.com and log in to your account. Click on your profile picture. Select Settings from the page. Click on Setting and Privacy in the left-hand side menu. Click on Personal Details. And then click Personal Detail. And then click on Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivate or Deletion. Select the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Click on Temporarily Disable My Account. Re-enter your password and click Continue. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now deactivated. You can reactivate it at any time by logging back into your account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.